I'm not receiving any responses from you. I see you doing it.
Copy now.
Ready to do it, Alpha, say again?
Roger, I got your instructions. I'm doing it north side right now.
Ready to do it, Alpha. No traffic observed between you and John 2. Radar services terminated. Frequency change approved. Report IFR cancellation. This frequency in the air on the ground 124.55. Citation to maintain 3,000, following heavy Boeing 767 traffic, currently 2 to 3 o'clock. 7 miles straight in out of 2,500.
Okay, that's 3,000 and we're looking for the traffic.
Citation follows a heavy Boeing 767, clear visual approach runway 31, caution, wake turbulence.
Okay, behind the 767 and clear visual 31.
Citation tower 118.6 in.
Tower set taking on visual 31.
Tower 131, clear to land number 2, following heavy 767 on a mile final crossing wake turbulence, wind is calm.
Clear to land 31.
Minimums.
Going to signature.
Okay, when you're ready, just make a 180 on the runway and taxi back to Tango 6. Taxi to the ramp with me.